Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I use fountain pens for sketching, and I'm making a series on this so I can show you all the different fountain pens that you can use. This is a sketch that I did. Now what I'm going to show you today is a Jinhao X450 fountain pen. Now this one is, I love this color. This comes in all different colors. And the thing with the Jinhao is it comes with a converter. So it's got a pull cap, and they all come with converters, so you can use any color ink that you want with these. These are universal converters too, so they can be used in other pens. Now these also come in medium, fine, and I think extra fine. It's got a nice clip on it. And then I'm going to do a drawing sample and a writing sample for you. Now, you can use it posted. This is a metal pen, by the way, which is really great. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a drawing sample for you, and I'm going to do another sailboat because I was practicing doing sailboats. I've got violet ink in this pen, and I'll show you what I got. But we'll do some sky, and we'll do some water. Okay, and it really is nice and soft. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use my Pentel water brush. I don't like to get too much water on it. This is a 70-pound sketchbook paper I'm using. And you can see how beautiful. Now, all fountain pen inks are water soluble. You can buy the inks that will hold up to water, that don't smear. But for this purpose, this is great. And if you're just writing in your book, in your notebook or something, this ink is great. Now this particular ink is, I'm sure I'm not pronouncing this right, but it's DeAtramentis Purple Violet ink. And you can buy this in a bottle, like I did, and so I hope you like that. I will do a writing sample because this pen also writes fantastic. And okay, so this is a Jinhao X450 metal pen. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please subscribe. And thanks for watching, and have a great art day.